All right, Uncle T, I've got your Galaxy DX959 on the bench for the initial test before we do the tune-up and alignment. So we'll jump right into it. AM, a little off on frequency, should be 205. And we've got a 50-watt slug. Right meter is peak. So we're reading at middle scale, 10, 20, 30, 40, and the left meter is average. Same thing, 50-watt slug. Reading at middle scale, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Getting about 2 watts. Hello, audio check, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Hello, doing about 20 watts peak and about 3 average. Alright, we'll check it on sideband here. Lower sideband. I'll grab my tone generator. And we'll see how she's doing on sideband. Lower sideband. Yeah, a little off there. 2056. It should be 2050. And doing about 18, 19 watts on sideband. All right, Art, I'll go through it and do a tune alignment and shoot a follow-up video. I'll be back.